Hey guys, so it's Sunday the 14th of May, the day of Body Power. It's about a 2-hour drive, so it's about 7 AM here. Should be good. Let's do this.
Where are you going? Going so fast tonight. Have you ever stopped beside the road to smell the rose of life? Take a breath now. Don't hold it in too long, 'cause you might end up missing out on life's short little song. She's saying, ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh.
So, Connor, could you give me like 3 tips to be like successful in like life and in YouTube and just in general fitness? 3 tips? That's a lot. Let's see. Let's just have one. Well, okay. First of all, you can't care about what other people think, right? If you put yourself out there online, man, no matter what, you're gonna have some haters, man. But everyone does. You can't let them get you down, right? You just gotta forget about it, man. It's gonna be worth it, man. Now, let's see. For fitness, man, let's see. You gotta count your macros, right? I mean, that's kind of basic, but that's the key to like whether you want to gain muscle or lose fat, man. That's like, I count my McDonald's. Oh, your McDonald's, man. Hey, no, McDonald's has macros too, though. You can count those. I'm not even joking. I had Burger King last night. Really? Yeah, man. You just gotta make sure you track them and hit your target numbers. Oh, let's see. A third tip, man. I don't know. Stay aesthetic, man. Stay aesthetic, bro.
She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live, don't let it go. Ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live, don't let it go.
So hey, I'm with Rob Lisbon right now, and Rob's going to give me and you guys 3 tips to be successful in life, in gym, in anything basically.
So it's so hard to just go like 3 tips because everyone has a different definition of success. So it's really about like what makes you happy, and that's rule number 1 is find out what makes you happy. Because if you do that, you're going to excel at it because you're going to love it. I love going to the gym, I love making videos, so that's what I like to do. So I actually don't even need motivation to make videos and go to the gym because I love it. Number 2 is understand that it's going to take a lot of work to master your craft. Number 3 is be patient and just enjoy the journey. That's what it's all about, having fun. So that's pretty much it.
Yeah. So, hope you enjoyed that, guys. Follow Rob's channel. He's a great guy. It'd be stupid not to, you know what I mean?
Thank you so much.
All right, mate. Jamie Olsen here. I want to ask you, what 3 tips can you give for being like successful in life, business, and in the gym and everything?
Okay, first and foremost, self-confidence. You've got to be confident in yourself, and you've got to be able to do that in order to help people. Because you can't help people unless you've helped yourself. So that's the first one. Second one is be passionate about what it is that you do. You're not going to be successful in something that you don't like doing. So make sure what it is that you're doing that you're passionate about. And the third and final one, also be on this side of thing, is consistency. Okay? Shit doesn't just happen. Okay? It's constantly doing it over and over again, and it's boring. It's boring. This is why people don't keep consistent. They're like, oh, I've got to do that again. Yes, you have. Okay? Every day, every week, every month, every year. Because eventually, if you keep consistent with it and you're passionate about it, it will pay off.
Don't let it go. You've got one life to live. Don't let it go. Can you let go? Let go of it all tonight. Or will you decide to push on through and ignore the words inside?
up? You're now watching Dan's channel here. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Shit's going down.
I love to live